friends, I am Sarita and welcome to Curry Trends. Has it ever happened to you that you go out shopping and you see a beautiful dress on display and you just fell in love with it on the first sight? But you think like it's too short for you and you can't wear it. And especially if you are above 40s, you have been wearing such dresses in your teens and in your 20s, but now you think it's not age appropriate, you don't want to wear it. Okay, so then you have come to the right place, because today I am going to talk to you about how you can style your short dresses in many ways. If you have any dresses that you have tucked away in the back of your cupboard and you're not taking it out because you know you can't wear it, but then it's time to take out all those dresses, because there are a number of ways how you can style your short dresses and you can look classy and elegant and beautiful and stylish as well. Style is what works for you, your body and your lifestyle. So if you think that a dress looks good on you, fits you properly and you look beautiful in it, then I think nothing should stop you from wearing that dress. If you are like me and you like wearing short dresses but you want to know more about it, about how you can wear it and all that, then you should stay till the end of the video, and towards the end I will be sharing some pro tips as to what you should take care when you are wearing short dresses. When it comes to selecting your tops, you can use a tunic if you have one, or even a kurti or any short dresses, and you can pair it with a number of things that you have in your closet, like your leggings, your jeggings, your denim pants, even wide leg pants or even tailored pants. There are so many options. You can use palazzo also. So there are a number of options that you can pair it with short dresses, and each time you pair it with a different item, your dress will automatically transform into a beautiful new outfit. And if you think your top is a little loose for you, or very loose for you, or really oversized, you can always cinch it with a belt, and that will also look so beautiful. Now this black and white dress that I am wearing right now, I have worn this dress as it is to a number of places, but if I want to pair it with something, then I can pair it with 3/4 leggings and it will look really nice. And here, this is a very good option when you don't want to show your legs when you're wearing a dress. The only thing you need to take care is that this is a casual look, so avoid wearing something like this to formal events. Also, leggings look good on dresses that are above the knee. They won't look good if your dress is 3/4 length or a full length. Here I have worn my grey color shirt dress. I have never worn this dress outside because I have always felt that it's too short for me. It comes a little above the knee, so I am not very confident in wearing this outside. I always pair it with my black color denim jeans. Jeans work very well with shirt dresses, and this look is a huge trend right now. There are a number of ways you can style them together. You can also add a belt if it's oversized, or add a jacket also. All these are different ways you can style them. Such short dresses work very well with cropped trousers as well for a smart office look. Pair a mid to high heel and it will look trendy as ever. I recently bought this red dress. But it is a little loose for me. I wanted one size smaller than this, but I was not getting my size. So anyhow, I like the dress so much that I purchased it anyway. I always believe that when you're wearing a top and a bottom, either the top should be fitted and the bottom should be loose, or if the top is loose, the bottom should be fitted. But look at this outfit, guys. I know this combination is not very common, but it's the latest trend now. Short dresses can be combined with palazzo to create this unique outfit. These two are the most comfortable outfits, and when combined together, you create an elegant attire. You can wear this for functions also. Few tips that I wanted to give you before I leave. If you're wearing a short dress, be very confident in it, because if you are being self-conscious, the people around you will quickly pick it up. So be confident, and that will show on your face and it will reflect on your whole personality. If you're wearing a beautiful short dress, see to it that you keep the accessories to the minimum. don't overdo it, because that won't look very classy. Beautiful short dress and minimum accessories looks really beautiful. Something that I personally feel is important is waxing your legs. I don't know if others agree or no, but I think your legs has to be waxed if you're wearing a short dress and well moisturized, so that it looks clean and neat. If you're wearing a short dress, it is not at all necessary that you have to go in for a very high-heeled shoe or anything, because even small heeled shoes or even flats look really classy when you're wearing shorts. And one last thing that I wanted to tell you guys is, if you're wearing a short dress and you're conscious about it, see to it that you do not expose too much on the upper part. Like, you don't wear a spaghetti top or anything. See to it that you wear something that has sleeves in it, so that you get more coverage on the upper part at least, and you are not so self-conscious of the dress that you're wearing. So guys, I've shown you 3 different short dresses and how we can style them in different ways. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. And do visit my Instagram page. My handle is curlytrails_me. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.